So welcome to the next video. Today's video. So we will see the practical implementation of the ensemble techniques, bagging and boosting techniques. Okay. Same data set we will take. Okay. First take you see the random forest regression scalar. This is ensemble techniques random forest. We see the random forest. We take copy it random forest RF. Initialize the object. This is very easy. Okay, very easy. There is that fit not plus enter plus enter. Random forest is taken. I will predict hard to score. We see the sorry. First we need to predict random forest. Press enter. RF. We see the accuracy is coming around 96%. Very good. So highest accuracy I think so. Then this fish weight prediction. After the random forest we have done I think Adaboost technique. Adaboost scalar. Adaboost classifier regression you need to take. Okay. Convert it into regression. Okay, Adaboost regression. Initialize Adaboost. Fit it. Adaboost. We fit the dataset. Okay, Adaboost regression. Not, I think we have done the wrong thing. Adaboost scalar. Regressor. Adaboost regressor will be there. Regressor. Center. Center. Adaboost regressor we got. We need to predict. We'll predict Adaboost. Adaboost is a good technique. Okay. Hard to score if we calculate using the Adaboost. We'll get around 95%. Then we have seen gradient boosting. Search for gradient boosting. Gradient boost scalar. Gradient boost regressor for us. Gradient boost regressor. Gradient boost regressor we got GB gradient boost. Sir, now fit the dataset. GB predict GB. Check the R2 score. What is accuracy coming? It is carried around 97%. Again, highest accuracy we have got. Next is the Xgboost. For Xgboost, you need to install the Xgboost package. Okay. After that, installing the Xgboost package, you write the code that I am giving to you. Okay. After installing the Xgboost package, use this. From Xgboost, import Xgboost regressor n estimators. I have told you what is the n estimator. Landing rate I have given, X trend, Y trend, early stopping round, verbosity, use. Okay, X test and Y test. See, this is the code for the regressor. Okay. Next is feed the dataset. Fit is over. I think next prediction Xgboost. Xgboost. Sorry, here it is going XGB. Xgboost. Control center. Check the R2 score. See, it is 97.3, again highest in XGBoost. These are the good techniques for most. Now for classification also we use random forest. First you see, same thing we will copy only. Random forest classifier. Classifier I paste. Then I copy the forest center. R2 score. R2 score not, it will be accuracy score. See, 90% is coming. Random forest. Next is the gradient boosting or Adaboost. Sorry, Adaboost. I copy. I paste here. It will be classifier. Okay. Adaboost classifier. Check the prediction. Then the R2 score here will be not, here will be accuracy score. And you can check the precision recall also. Okay. So it is again 90% coming. Not 90%. RF Adaboost. Okay. So with seat prediction, next gradient boosting Xgboost you will. It is your homework. Same thing. Convert the regressor into classifier. You will get everything here. See, regressor converted to classifier. Xgboost. Regressor to classifier. You will get everything. Okay. So in the next video, we will see the unsupervised machine learning technique. Okay. So for today, this much. Okay. Thank you.